Husqvarna Motorcycles takes a bold step into urban mobility with the Skutta, their new e-powered scooter. I'm Justin, and in today's news, we'll explore this innovative solution for urban commuting. Meet the Skutta, an electric scooter designed for city living. It offers a stylish and practical means of getting around urban areas with ease. Crafted with premium components, the Skutta boasts an aluminum chassis designed with a patented flat folding mechanism. This makes it easy to carry, maneuver, and store when not in use. The Skutta focuses on comfort, featuring a low standing deck height of just 90 mm, enhancing agility and rider confidence. Powering the Skutta is a reliable Husqvarna AB 36 volts Li-ion battery. It drives a brushless, maintenance-free motor located inside the rear wheel hub. Recharging the battery takes just 4 hours and 20 minutes. And thanks to the interchangeable battery design, a fully charged spare battery can be swapped in under 10 seconds, providing uninterrupted commuting. The Skutta offers 3 ride modes: pedestrian, economy, and sport, catering to a variety of user preferences and riding conditions. Additional practical features include a minimalistic dashboard, built-in bell, side stand, integrated LED lights, and dual drum brakes. It's largely maintenance-free and IPX4 water-resistant. The Skutta's technical highlights include a 10-inch front wheel, an 8-inch rear wheel with puncture-free foam core, a 90 m standing height, and a 69.9 degrees rake angle for optimized riding comfort, stability, and agility. The Skutta's smart LED dashboard is designed for intuitive and distraction-free rides. And, with its removable, fast-charging batteries, you'll spend less time waiting and more time riding. But that's not all. Husqvarna offers technical accessories to enhance the Skutta experience. Handlebar ends protect your grips, a smartphone bracket keeps your device at your fingertips, and handlebar-mounted storage solutions keep your belongings safe during your commute. The Skutta is set to hit the streets starting in December 2023. You can find it at authorized Husqvarna Motorcycles urban mobility dealers and online. Whether you're zipping through city streets or exploring urban environments, the Skutta offers an exciting and reliable new way to get around. And that's a wrap on this innovation from Husqvarna Motorcycles. I'm Justin, and we'll be back with more news soon. Thanks for watching.